Hello, students. I'm Mr. Demoratz. Welcome to ACE, which is Academic Curriculum Enrichment. This is really a catch-all, not a catch-all class. You're reading a lot of different things in here. You're going to find that there's going to be about 50 of you in this classroom, which is perfectly fine because you are working in your virtual area and not in a room of 50 people, which makes virtual school really nice. Um, as you're going to be getting all sorts of lessons in here. The content in here is required to do. Is it going to be A, B, C, D, F? We don't think so, but there will be a spot that if you don't do it, you might have to have uncomfortable conversations with me and your parents. So this is stuff, and I'm going to try to keep it as entertaining as possible. And so just a few things about ACE. The icon in Schoology for ACE is an owl on a playing card that's an ace. There aren't many of these online, so I feel kind of proud of myself I was able to find this. Um, Rules of ACE and parents and students. Um, it's still an 80-minute class. If you have me for science, you will know that you are not going to be Zooming with me for 80 minutes. My head would explode and your head might explode too. Um, so we will probably start the class with something short, quick, maybe a how you're doing, maybe a Google form. Then we'll Zoom for about 10 minutes. I'll tell you what you're doing, and then you're going to do it. Some of you may get done early. Some of you it might take the whole time. If you get done early, take a break from a computer. Um, and here's a rule of middle school. I don't know if any of your middle school teachers tell you this. You're all new middle schoolers. If I allow you to do something, it does not mean that all teachers allow you to do it. So you'll understand the rules for each class. So like in my class, I have no problem if you show up wearing a baseball hat. I have no problem if you put a hood over your head. I have no problem if you're drinking to the side. I have no problem if you're snacking to the side. Um, what virtual school does, you have added responsibility. You have the responsibility to work independently, which is an incredible life skill. The ability to do something and do it correctly and not have someone remind you of it 27 times that you need to get it done is an incredible life skill, and it is one of the most it is a true way to success. And now you just heard my beagle bark. So welcome to ACE. You will see on the screen, here is the Schoology page. I hope your elementary school teachers use Schoology because Schoology is just not a virtual thing. I was using it 100% the last 2 years. So hopefully you have a little bit more experience with it. YouTube greetings, click this. Oh, that's how you got this. Course information, activities, it's pretty simple. You'll figure it out as it goes along, but I'm Mr. Demoratz. Oh, I used to teach at Liberty Middle School. We'll go back there when this is all over. 20 years in education. If you look at the course syllabus, you're going to see a virtual locker at the bottom that will tell you a lot about me. So, welcome to ACE. Look forward to having you. It's going to be a great year. You're in a good place. And relax. Relax. Everything's going to be okay. Not going to be perfect. It's going to take us a little while to get our mojo going, but everything's going to be fine. Trust your teacher, do your best, and everything will work out. Thanks. Look forward to seeing everybody.